So how to deposit money in Patti? So let's start video. So first you click on plus button and you select easy paisa or jazz cash, anyone. So select amount and then select add cash. So you enter your number and confirm, and you type your easy paisa amount number and then submit it, and just await. And then after confirmation you go into easy paisa account and just click here, and you see here the option my approval, so just accept here. So you see here amount will be submitted. So go into app again, open app, and you see here the amount will be added in your accounts. You see here 189. So do not forget like and subscribe such more informative video.